everybody, welcome back. Phonics again today. Now before we start, if you haven't got a pencil or a piece of paper or anything to write on or anything to write with, can you pause the video and go and get it? Because we're going to need it later on in the video. So if you haven't got anything to write with or write on, go and get it now. And then, so pause the video, go and get it, and then we'll start our phonics for the day. Are we ready? Okay, the sound that we're doing today is W. W. W, W, W. 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 W, W, W. Fantastic. Well done. It's quite a bouncy sound. W, W, W. Let's have a look at some pictures that start with the sound W. Are we ready? Ooh, don't like these. W, W, witch. Look through the W window. Oh, a spider makes these. A web. And I like to go walking. I like to take my dog into the wood. Fabulous. Wood. Web. Window. Witch. They all start with the sound W. Well done. Okay, let's have a look at how we draw the sound. Are we ready this morning? Let's see. How are we going to draw the sound? Okay. Can you see? There we go. Magic pencil, crocodile snaps. Worm. Worm. Fantastic. If I take my picture away, I'm left with the sound that we read and the sound that we write. Let's go over that a little bit there. W. W, 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 W. W, 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 W. Fabulous. Well done. Okay, let's have a look at our card. As you've got your worm there, can you see? Worm. W, W, worm. W, W, worm. And there's how we read and write it. W. 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 Okay, let's use our card now. If you see this side, you're going to say worm. And if you see this side, you're going to say W. Are we ready? Let's see where we're at. Worm. Worm. W. Worm. W. W. Well done. It's not W. It's W. Fabulous. Well done. Here it is in our nice small version. Let's pop it in the pack with the sounds that we know. Lovely, super speedy sounds. Don't drag those sounds. Remember how we used to laugh about Mrs. Miles dragging them? G. That's not how we drag the sounds. We just say them nice and short. G. Let's go. I'm going quite quickly today. Remember, when you see it, give it a wave. Jazz hands, thumbs up, whatever you want to do. Let's hide it again. I'm going to go a little bit slower. That's what we learnt the other day. one. I. I hope I didn't hear some J there. W. Well done. Give yourselves a marshmallow clap. Fantastic. Well done. Okay. I want you to go and get your piece of paper and your pen, all right? Because we're going to do some writing now. We're going to practice writing the sound and some of the other sounds that we've learned. Remember, I'm using lines, okay? I'm using the lines so that you can see what it looks like when it needs to be written on a line. If you haven't got lines, don't worry. Okay, crocodile snaps. You're resting it on this third finger. Crocodile snaps. You must always hold your pencil properly. W. So when you write it, up, down, up, down, up. Keep saying w, 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 w. Leave a space. W, 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 w. Lovely. Check mine and make sure yours looks the same. Okay, let's have a go at doing the sound that we learnt the other day. Y. Y, 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 y. Y, 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 y. Y, 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 y. Y, 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 y. Have a look at mine, check yours. Fabulous. Okay, let's go for V, 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 V. Have a look at mine, make sure yours looks the same. And the last sound that we're going to do is J, 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 J. Lovely. It goes down through the line. Can you see? Well done. Okay, put your pencils away to one side because we're going to need them again in a bit. Okie dokie. Right, let's have a go at reading and blending some words, okay? Fred talk and read the word. Are we ready? Fred talk. Read the word. Win. W-I-N, win. W-I-N, win. Your turn. Fred talk. Read the word. Wet, wet. Fred talk. Read the word. Web, web. Web, web. Fred talk. Read the word. Red, red. Red, red. Fred talk. Read the word. Jog, 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 running. Careful. Fred talk. Read the word. Grin, grin, grin. Fantastic. And we're back to the beginning. Well done. There were some hard words in there, so really well done. If you found that quite hard, pause the video and go back through. Remember, It doesn't finish when I finish my video. You can go all the way back through and have a practice with the bits that you might find a bit tricky. Okay, let's have a go at doing these words. These words we've done before. Okay, I'm going to hold it to my chest. I want you to Fred talk, and when I push it forward, I want you to read it. Okay, I'll do the first one for you. Fred talk. Bed. Bed. Okay. So I've dropped one. Are we ready? Your turn. No dots and dashes, so keep looking carefully. Fred talk. Brilliant. In. Fred talk. Mud. Fred talk. Cot. Fred talk. Tip. Fred talk. Pin. Fred talk. Gap. Fred talk. Back to the beginning, I did this one, do you remember? Bed. Bed. Right, now that I've gone through them with you, this time I want you to see if you can say your sounds in your head. If you can't, don't worry, but see if you can do Fred in your head and read it when I push it forward. Are you ready? In. In. Mud. Ud. Mud. Cot. K-ot. Cot. Tip. T-ip. Tip. P-in. Pin. Gap. G-ap. G-ap. Gap. Bed. B-ed. B-ed. Bed. Well done. Well done. You're getting really good with your reading. I'd like to see if you can pop some things on Dojo to say how you're getting on the Class Dojo app, and so you can let me know how you're getting on with your reading. Okay? Right. Pencil and paper. Let's have a go at doing some spelling. We're going to count the sounds in the word that I'm going to give you. Then we're going to pinch the sounds to hear the sounds, and then we're going to write it. Okay, let's have a go. Get your fingers ready. First word that I want us to count is win. 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 How many sounds in win? 3 sounds. Pinch the sounds in win. W, I, N. W, I, N. Write it. W, I, N. Keep saying the sounds. W, I, N. W, I, N. Win. W, I, N. W, I, N. Let me show you. Say the sounds as I say them. W. 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 I. W. I. W. I. W. I. N. W. I. N. W. I. N. Win. 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 That's the word win. Okay, if you've written it, give yourself a tick for the w, the I, and the n. Win, win. Brilliant. Okay, let's have a go. Let's do cat, cat. Count the sounds for cat, 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 cat. 3 sounds. Let's pinch the sounds. K, at, k, at, k, at. Write it. K, at. You say the sounds. If you need longer, pause the video, but I'm going to write it now. Say the sounds with me. K, at, k, 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 a, k, a, k, a, k, a, k, a, t, k, at, k, at, cat, k, at, cat. Give yourself a tick for your k, your a, and your t. If you've not got it quite right, make sure your t isn't that way round. That's the wrong way round. It needs to be this way round. Okay, k, a, t. Well done. Okay. Let's try the word. This is a tricky one. Bed. Bed. Pinch the sounds for, or count the sounds for bed. Bed. Ed. 3. There are 3 sounds in bed. B, ed, b, ed, b, ed, bed. Write it. B, ed, b, ed, b, ed, bed. Write the sound. Bed, bed. Brilliant. If you need longer, pause the video. Say the sounds with me. Are we ready? Bed. B, 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 e, b, ed, b, ed, b, ed, b, ed, bed. Make sure your b and your d look different. They're looking different ways. Okay, make sure you've got them the right way round. Give yourself a tick for your b, your e, and your d. Bed, bed. Well done, well done. Okay, next time, remember to bring a pencil and a piece of paper, okay, because we're going to do some more writing. Well done. If you missed any of that, then you just go back and you find where you need to look, and then you can replay it again. Well done, trying really hard. Remember, any of the writing you've done, take a picture, pop it on Class Dojo. All right, see you all again soon. Bye.